Hey, Mike here with 04 Outdoors. I'm going to show you how we do our recessed window. So here you can see we have our opening, our main opening. Now that's made just a little bit bigger than the outside frame of this window. And then when we talk about you need a furring strip, it's 1 inch wide by 3/4 inch tall. That's what catches the screws right here. So we're going to show you how we put that in. So we already nailed in our furring strip. Just ripped down some 3/4 inch plywood. Take our window, so then that pops right in here. And if you go look on the inside, you can see how this frame bumps past that, and then this furring strip is our screwing strip. And all we have to do is attach it to the window. Normally we'd silicone it first, but we're just doing this for a demonstration. You'd silicone around the rough opening of that furring strip, and then we start screwing in the window. Another thing you can do is put a piece of flashing in here first and flash all of this so you don't get any water infiltration in your 2x4 framing, and then silicone the corners on it too. So here on the inside then you can see now you're flush with the inside of the 2x4. You can build your blind with the 2x4s on edge and you don't have to worry about getting the clearance. The next thing we'll do is we'll put a block up here and do our tab to attach our magnet so that catches it and holds that window open. And that's how the recessed window is installed. Next we'll do the glass hinge. We'll show you how that gets installed. Okay, now we're going to install the glass hinge window. So what we've done here is we have a finished opening that when you put your gasket on, when you receive your glass hinge window, this isn't attached because not everybody uses it, but if you're going to use it, you'll attach the gasket, create your finished opening, that creates the seal, and then you got to add a furring strip which is 3/4 wide and 3/4 deep, and that's so you can make up this distance here. So we're going to center our window and we're going to pre-drill our holes and screw the glass to the inside of our blind here. And we're just going to start with one screw. Okay, now that we got this hole pre-drilled, we're going to put in one screw. And we're going to level this window out, straighten it, make sure it's square in the opening, pre-drill, and put in the rest of the screws. We're also checking to make sure that gasket on the bottom is just a little bit above the finished opening there. Just make sure you don't get any water coming into this window. There, now that the window is installed, now we got to add our closure tabs. That's what keeps the window closed, and that's the other reason for the shim, so the tabs are in line with the back side of the glass. So we'll do those next. So I'm just going to measure in 5 inches and pre-drill a hole, and we'll mount the tabs. Okay, now we're going to just take our tabs and we're going to make sure that the top of the tab clears the bottom of the glass. We don't want that interfering, so I'm at my 5-inch mark here. I'm just at the bottom of my shim, and I'm going to pre-drill 2 holes here. So these tabs and screws do come along with our glass hinge window. So next we're just going to put a wood screw in here, and we're going to attach these. And you don't want to go too tight. Just snug them up. And that's it. We got the tabs enclosed. Put a little pressure on that gasket to seal it. And there you go. That's the installation of the glass hinge window. If you're looking to get windows, go to 04outdoors.com. We have all our sizes. Just click and add to your cart. Put a blat in, and that's it. And it was so close, wasn't it?